In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vehicle to my Usaa insurance. To get started, go to the USAA website or open the USAA mobile app and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct profile so you can access your current insurance information without any issues. If you're using a shared device, it's also a good idea to double check that you're in your own account before making changes. Once you're signed in, head to your dashboard and select your auto insurance policy. This is where you'll find the details of your current coverage, including the vehicles and drivers already listed on your plan. Take a moment to confirm that you've opened the right policy, especially if you have more than one insurance product in your account. Next, look for an option such as Manage Policy, Update Policy, or Add Driver. The wording can vary slightly depending on whether you're using the website or the app, but the goal is the same. You want to open the section where policy changes can be made. If the menu looks a little different from what you expect, just look for the area that lets you edit or review your auto policy details. From there, enter the new driver's information exactly as requested. This typically includes the person's full name, date of birth, driver's license number, license state, relationship to you, and possibly driving history if that is requested. Accuracy matters here, so enter everything carefully to help avoid delays or corrections later. If you're unsure about a detail, it's better to pause and verify it before submitting the form. After that, review your updated premium. USA will usually calculate how adding the new driver may affect your insurance cost. You'll be able to see any changes to your coverage and the estimated premium before you finalize anything. This is an important step because it helps you understand exactly what will change on your policy. If everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm the changes. Submit the request, and USAA will process the update. Depending on the situation, the change may take effect right away or after a short processing period. Finally, verify your policy once the update is complete. Check your policy documents or policy summary to make sure the new driver appears correctly. This final review helps confirm that the update went through successfully and that your insurance records are accurate, and that's how to add a vehicle